Alright, here today with Junior Flemmings, and in my opinion, the best player on the pitch today. Good game in the Kemal Lines. Good game, baller. Obviously, devastating result, but you had a good game. Speak to us about your game first. I was going to your head. How do you feel coming back from Europe, back in national stadium again?
I mean, it's really disappointing not to get something out of the game. I put a lot into it, but I mean, if we're not up to it for 90%, it doesn't make sense.
Alright, well, we still have 6 more points to get from this window. Do you think it is doable, and do you think if we get those 6 points, we still stand a shot at qualifying for the World Cup, if even a playoff spot?
For sure, I mean, quitting is not an option, so, you know, we got to get up tomorrow and go again.
Alright, as I said, good game again, Flemmer. Quick question, how is it in Europe? How is it in France? How has it been so far?
I mean, level is different, you know, of course, everything is much quicker, faster, and the speed of the game is another level, so you know, we just have to match up to that.
Alright, it definitely shows on the field. Thank you so much for talking to us.
Appreciate it.
Good game.